So how does it open? Oh, so wait, it's at the bottom?
Yeah, just watch that car next.
I don't want to hit anything.
I don't think you will.
What the fudge?
Hey, don't be like that rapper that hit Alex's.
Oh, what's his name? Smokey or some crap?
Smokey? Oh wait, you see the charger?
Yeah.
Unplug them.
Unplug this.
It's 2 of them. It's a big one, and then there's this little small one, a circle one.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
This one?
Hey,
You see the big one?
I'm
not trying to break it.
Pete knows what to do.
Yeah.
Then there's
Pete knows
this
what to
right
do
here.
because he's got an
Two.
i8.
That's connected too.
Okay. And then where's the other one?
This
Graham?
one.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me get in. I can't get in. Oh my gosh. Ow. No plate. Oh my god.
Yo, it's got a check engine light.
What? How many miles does this thing have on it? Like 2?
638.
No way.
Yeah.
And you have a check engine light.
Oh, it's gone now.
Oh, never mind. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. What the? No, you were not. Wow, this is ridiculous. What in the, that's like 2,000 RPM.
I'm gonna let it warm up.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. What the hell? Yo, that is crazy. Okay, guys, this is ridiculous. Like, what the hell, bro? Jesus. I can't get out of this car, and this is crazy. Wow.
Creative officer of Ferrari.
Oh, careful with that.